Alright, here's what I'm looking. This one's a little bit tricky. This is a convex. What I'm going to do is stay at the front and work my way back and blend it all in. So this is basically a three-stepper. Working the edge, working middle, and then the grind line. Now I gotta work that edge. Keep wetting it. I don't want to burn it. I like that. Looking very good. You don't really have to overdo this, but I'm really picky and I want to get them razor sharp. Oh yeah, that is stupid sharp. A little more. Good. Next stone. I'm going to slip in here a bit. Here we go. And still slipping. I don't have a rubber mat here. Would have been nice to have one. Let me look for it. I like that. All right. For this one here, I like using the wheel up top But you gotta be real careful because you can ruin this real quick. The right way is to sharpen this way, but we're gonna go this way. Okay. Dunk it in water. Take a look. Looking pretty good down here. Just up here I need more. So what I'll do is I'll start at the bottom again. I think I got it. I think I got it. I've seen it curl up. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. Yep, I got the whole thing. And look at that. Nice. Clean shot. See that? That works out beautifully. What is this called? Niagara stone? I forget the name. Guess I gotta learn it. Okay. Just want to get this little area here, middle. There we go. I got it. Beautiful. Ooh, I almost cut myself. Gotta be careful. This thing's razor sharp right now. One more stone. And the last stone. Where we at? Good. Just gotta get that middle again. Yeah, I got it. Super sharp. Alright, that's all set. I'll clean this off. And now on to the next step. Looking pretty good. Oh yeah. Razor sharp. You don't need it this sharp, but I like it. Alright, assembly time. I changed the settings on the camera. Hopefully it's a lot better. Wait a minute, do I see it working? Yes, it's working. Okay. So first things first is some oil onto the spring. Okay. And then I believe it went this way, and then here, like, oops, nope, this way, and then fit in there, okay, and then the washer, and then the nut, and I can get that spring in towards the end, I'm hoping. Tighten it down a bit. I overdid it there. Back off a little. Let me see. Okay. And actually, let me put some oil in between there. Yeah. Okay. That's cool. Alright, let's see if I can get this in here like that. Push down. And almost. And we're in. Okay. That's looking pretty good. Alright. I think I can tie in a little more. Let's see. Yeah, a little more. Nope, now it's too stiff. Just back off a little bit. Oh, there it is. I think that's the sweet spot. All right, we're gonna clean our hands off, wipe her down, and then test her out.